The stock market took a big hit this week, so let's do a portfolio update. This week I actually made an investment into the account. I invested around £300, brings up the total account value to £11,431. However, the bad news is that we are still down in terms of total account value of around 2.5% down for the account value. Last couple weeks have been really rough, especially last week. Big companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, they all had really rough weeks. I think at the moment tech companies are having a bit of a rough patch. They are going through, somewhat of a difficult moment. So in terms of my current holdings, Adobe, I have around 1.4k in them. They are still down a big amount, 16% in total. I'm also invested in several different ETFs. The main one is the S&P 500. I have around 1.1k in that, and that is down 1%, so it went down last week. I have 3 different iShare ETFs as well. One of them is in the agricultural business, and this is performing the best. This is up around 12%. And I have one ETF within global clean energy. That is up around 5% or so, and then also one in electric vehicles and driving. That is also up. However, both them 2 ETFs actually took a hit last week because they do have a lot of tech stocks within them. Then I have some other holdings as well, which include Netflix, Nike, and actually last week I also invested in Amazon. I've also actually heard that apparently Amazon are going to be investing a lot of their free cash into AI automation. So that's going to be a really exciting space for them, and I do think that they are probably already one of the leaders within the world for that space. At the moment though, I only invested last week. That is down 1.7%. Netflix, I have around £660 in Netflix, so around 11 shares. That is down nearly 12%. And then Nike, I have around 11 shares as well, and that is down 2%. That is tasty. You know what, I think I need a better blend. This blender is absolutely rubbish. It's still pretty good in my opinion. Wow.